But something that I think is going to be really helpful for a lot of people watching this video is to utilize something called ClawHub. So I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. I'm not affiliated with it. It's just a really useful place where you can find different things that you can connect to your OpenClaw or have your OpenClaw install, and it kind of gives your bot like an upgrade. So let's say that, for example, maybe you want your OpenClaw bot to help you trade on poly market or like prediction markets, right? So you could find ones that if you just go to ClawHub, you type in poly market, and there's people, and this is kind of open source stuff, that people have built all kinds of different features that you can install for your bot. So like you can have this one that will check odds for you, find trending markets. And so you can ask your bot to install this. You can just send it the link right here. So I said, hey, can you install this? I want daily updates on trending poly market odds. And then I left it a link here. So my bot will go ahead and get that set up. You can go through and really find some interesting ones. Maybe you don't want to trade on poly market. I don't do that myself because I don't want to gamble, but that was just one of many different examples here. There's one called GOG, G-O-G, and this is going to be for connecting your Google Workspace to your OpenClaw. So maybe you want your bot to have the ability to add meetings to your calendar, or to set up different things like that, to be able to read your calendar, look in your Google Drive, in your Google Docs, things like that. That could be pretty useful for a lot of people. So let me find it here. So here it is. I will leave a link to this one down below as well. Has 162,000 installs from other people. I do recommend doing some research, and your bot will tell you if there's any like security vulnerabilities potentially by installing any of these, because it is a bunch of code from the internet. So you don't want to accidentally install some viruses or anything. So keep that in mind. But you can have your bot set up things like that. So here we go. I just went back to Telegram, and my bot has installed this for me. And I'm just going to say, tell me 8 a.m. daily. So now my bot is just going to be informing me of these things on a daily basis. And this is going to be really useful for all kinds of different things. Maybe you want to track the stock market. Maybe you want to have your bot do all kinds of different research on things that you're doing for school. It's going to be very useful for things like that.